jing'an.
Go check out the room.
Jing'an.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. Nanjing Road. Got these little things that go up and down, sightseeing cars. And I was here the other day, so it's kind of good to be back. Get to film a little bit more today, so I'm gonna do Nanjing Road and the Bund. So we're gonna walk down there. And I was kind of surprised how many people have suitcases around here, so I guess a lot of people try to stay in this area. Let's see what this statue is. So I got statues up and down. So I'm gonna try to walk straight down this way, and I think this takes me to the Bund. Yeah, it's kind of interesting because I was here with my friend the other day, and it's different when you're on your own, because then you have to kind of think about where you were and where you're at and where you're going. Or I just kind of was being brought places, which was great because he knows the city in and out.
Welcome to China!
Thank you. All right. Let's see, here's some dumplings. Laying houses. Egg tarts.
Hello, welcome.
Hello, thank you.
English.
English. Okay. More food. Hello, how are you? Okay, we're just gonna keep on going. We're just gonna walk straight down. Okay. Yeah, a lot of bikes parked on the sidewalk, so gives you not much space, but it's good for bikers because they can kind of park almost anywhere. Some kind of argument there. Okay, so a lot of times the cars will turn left on the pedestrian right away, so you have to be kind of careful because you don't know. They don't always watch for pedestrians. I guess they have the right of way to turn on their reds, so a lot of times they turn without stopping. I've noticed that throughout China. Okay. It's kind of typical food that I see. This one is the one I like. Kind of potatoes with vinegar. A lot of stuff I also see in Hong Kong too. But not always. I don't see that very often in Hong Kong. Some of them I don't see that very often, but I see some of the meat ones. Like the chicken feet. Okay. So you're gonna walk straight down. And I think the Bund is straight ahead. Ningbo Road. Got more hotels in this area. It's kind of cool because the other day I have all that footage up there too. But my good friend, he kind of took me on some kind of cool stuff that I might not have wandered onto my own. Let's see if we can get across. Okay. This is how they keep air conditioning in. And I think the Bund is straight ahead. Looks like it. It's kind of a very local neighborhood here. You got all the kind of noodle places. You got some shops that look like they would maybe be low rent, but some sort of location. But they okay. Walked from Nanjing Road, and there's a river. So I either went the wrong way, or there's a river between the Bund and. Thought I'd come up here and kind of see if I can see that big tower. I don't see it, so I might have to. At least I can kind of got this view. Might have to go back that way. Have to get out the compass. Dang it! But it's still worth it. Got lots of apartments overlooking the river. Pretty cool. Yeah, really cool. I like it a lot. Okay, looks like I have to go down that river. So now I know. This river goes into the bigger river of the Bund, so I guess I'm just gonna follow this and then take a left in a little bit and work our way to the Bund and see what we can see. But it's kind of cool to see this other kind of stuff too. The side streets. Okay, so we're gonna walk down some of these roads. It's Beijing Road, and I guess it goes into the Bund. I might just, but whatever it is, at least you get some different images of Shanghai. I'm just gonna walk. I think I'm gonna try to see if I can get back on that same road again. Nanjing Road. So, okay. I guess we can walk this way. Goes over the river. Got 9 seconds on this one, so we're gonna try to take it. Yeah, see how these cars can turn left, but I have the green light right there. There we go. It's hard, dude. So I'm going to try to walk back down to Nanjing Road. This is Fujian Road. So we're going to walk into the bike lane, and then all the bikes park on the sidewalk. So that means we share it with the bikes. Okay. We're gonna get a pretty good view of Shanghai though through this lens today. I may or may not go to the Bund. Okay, it's kind of cool, just hanging there in the hangar. So, I guess I was going the wrong way. So the Bund is kind of getting all turned around here. Doesn't really matter because when I explore, I just kind of I kind of want to get lost anyways. So kind of gets me to see some other sides of the city. So that works out fine. Pretty hot though, it's like 1 p.m. right now, so hottest part of the day. It's August 6 or 8, I think. Yeah, okay, this is a Ningbo Road, so that's kind of cool too. It's apartments that overlook on the busy street. Actually, some of these have parking, so you can park your bike. Looks like they just paint it. I guess the owners must just paint it. And that's a bike parking spot. Handicap. I don't know how they figure that out. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I would think it would be owner, but it looks like it's public if they put it like that. I guess they just don't want them on the parking on the street, get knocked over. Lane homes. All right. All right. Okay. Now you can see the tower. It's kind of hard to see in this little view, but it's there straight ahead. Dumpling place. So street room this time. So we're gonna go straight ahead and see the Bund from this side. I went there briefly yesterday, but all right. Okay, it's pretty cool. So this right here, we get all these brick housing. Sichuan Road. Looks like the marker of it. And so just a little bit you can see what the roads and streets look like. And now suddenly we're going to cross this road and it turns very beautiful and very brick. And just kind of a cool looking place altogether. Huh. It's okay, so I don't know if you can see that group, that couple that has that bag, but that's how they used to do it in Korea a long time ago. They take it and they'd two people would carry the same bag, and I used to see that everywhere in Korea, like if you went up the steps. So it's kind of like old Asia style, and I kind of evaporated in Korea when I went back to Seoul in 2000s. It was gone, but 90s in the smaller towns it was pretty much the norm. You know, if somebody saw you with a big bag, they would come along and help you carry it a little bit, or definitely if you were with a friend, they would always grab the other handle. I don't really see that anymore. I'm gonna just turn it like this, and you can kind of see people talk pretty loud here, so it's kind of funny. So I don't know who's behind me, but okay. It's just but who am I to say, right? I'm the one talking into my camera. Alright, so I'm going to turn this off because it's pretty much a straight shot. So we got, actually I think you notice all these have the little China flags on them up there too. Tour group. And let's see if I can get across here. It's kind of funny, they're doing a photography shoot. So this is the street I just went down, and they're actually doing a photography shoot. I saw kind of this, the photographer, okay, this model. I saw them, I was walking behind them for a little bit. The camera was off. Bank of China. We're gonna walk over there in a minute. So yeah, now we're on the Bund. And yeah, some kind of cool, I don't know if you can see all these kind of things, but it's very European. Okay. There's a sightseeing bus straight ahead. And on the other side, there's things like KFC and Shanghai tourist information. How do I get across the street here? Thought I could get across right there, but it looks like it might have been over there. Another one up here. Okay. So they're checking the buses. Okay. Fun sightseeing tunnel. Well, there's Costa Coffee, Subway, all your major places. There's some tourist shops. I love Shanghai. Okay. The Bund, East Beijing Road. There are some pretty beautiful houses though, the structure. My friend was kind of saying that, like, it's such a great model for so yeah, actually this one is pretty cool. House of Roosevelt, okay. China Post. So we are going to cross this road and go up to the Bund and see what's over there.
Chiquinha,